Hello friends, welcome to my channel Anjani Putra Astrology. This video is about Rahu Ketu transition, where it is gonna be very much effective in every life. This transition is being very much playing a very important role in everyone. So here, me and my friend, that is he is very good disciple of Aryavardhan, and you people know that who is Aryavardhan. Those who don't know, let me give just a small brief about him. Aryavardhan is called a very good scholar in Karnataka in predicting the futures of 1.5 years, the Rahu Ketu transition and other transition as well, and is very good at numerology as well. So under him, he was a great student, and his name is Dhanesh. He is in Mysore right now, and very soon he'll be settling in Bangalore. So he and me just had a phone call conversation about the transition of Rahu and Ketu, and what we predicted was very shocking for few rashis, that is for few zodiac signs. So let me get into the video. So here is the first rashis. So here we are going to talk about Mesha Rashi. So coming to the Rashi 1, that is Mesha Rashi, here we are going to see about how they are going to be in upcoming 18 months. So here Rahu is getting into the second house for them from Mesha Rashi. Here the people sorry for that. So here the people are going to get very abundance, good luck, and a lot of incoming money will be happening for them, and those who have lost monies in many matters and many things, they will gain back. That is like the karma is gonna give you back what you have lost, and the business who were been into the loss, or those who have lost their money in their business, though, so those business are gonna pick up like that, and everything is gonna be set for you people. So here in this Rashi, particularly there is a nakshatra called Ashwini. So for those people it is not good, because it is a Ketu nakshatra, as where the transition is happening. So Ketu is not good for them right now. The nakshatra, that is the star, is not benefited for them. So these star people will be having a very huge losses in business, and they will lose their money, and they will have some kind of health issues as well. So that's it for this Mesha Rashi. So, and let's come to the Rishabha Rashi. So here Rishabha Rashi people will be having very much health issues. Before that, they'll be having a very good news, or the very good happening in their home, that would be getting married. So those who have in Rishabha Rashi, those people will be getting married, or those parents who are in Rishabha Rashi, their children will be getting married. So this is the one good thing happening for the Rishabha Rashi. So after this, they will be facing a lot of troubles, loss in business, loss in money, everything, and they'll be having a lot of health issues, and these people might get some strokes as well. And those who have elders in their home, that is like grandma or grandpa, there's a chances of passing away. So please take care of them and have a good life with them. So this is for Rishabha Rashi. And main thing here in Rishabha Rashi, those people what I mentioned, the grandparents will pass away, those are for only particular star, that is called Kritika. So for these people, you should be very careful, and while driving also you people need to be careful, because there is chances of accidents as well. And please do take care of your health, and for this, as a remedy, please do puja to your favorite god. So coming to the Mithuna Rashi. So Mithuna Rashi people, that is Gemini in English. So these people have lot of sufferance from last 18 months. So this 18 months they were like very much depressed, and lot of going through them, very much difficulties in their life. So the upcoming transition of Rahu and Ketu is very much beneficial for them, and they will have lot of abundance, wealth, and money will be coming in, and what they have lost, their names, fames, they will gain that, and what they have lost, everything about their passion, profession, they'll be gaining. But here there is one lock over here, those who have born in Aridra Nakshatra, that is in Tamil they will call Trivadri, and in Kannada they will say Aridra Nakshatra. So for that star particularly, they will be facing a lot of troubles due to the transition. They may face a lot of health troubles like strokes, or maybe some heart arrest or something like that. So here the people will be very much affected health wise. So please do take care of that, Mithuna Rashi people, those who have born particularly in Ardra Nakshatra. Rest of the nakshatras and the Rashis are very good in Mithuna. So coming to Kataka Rashi, I don't know how these people are gonna have survived in this 18 months, because they have been facing lot of troubles. And coming to the those past 18 months, they'll be having a lot of breakups, love failures and depressions, loss of money, many things, everything they have faced is very full of loss. So this would be the game changer for them, that is the Rahu and Ketu transition. Whatever they lost, whatever they have thinking to achieve, everything is gonna be on the track. So for this transition, the benefited people here, the first thing, the first Rashi or the first zodiac would be the Katka Rashi, that is the Cancer. So these people will be having lot of gaining and lot of incoming good lucks. And those who people have no job, they will get job, and those who people have no kids, they will be having kids. Everything will be go on a smooth thing. So coming to Leo, that is Simha Rashi, where we are gonna tell in Kannada Simha Rashi, and in Tamil it's gonna be Simha Rashi. In English it is Leo. So here these people are gonna suffer in job. They will have a loss of job, or they are gonna quit the job, or there will be lot of pressure in their job. So somehow they will be sent to home. So here the negative are very much for the Leo people are based on only their jobs and their professions. They are going to face it, and due to this they'll be having financial loss as well. And later on, please do take care of your mother's health, where your mother's gonna be affected. And coming to the health of mother, there'll be kind of ill or something other thing your mother gonna face, or else you people will be away from mother due to some reasons. You people may get change of job, so that you people may leave the country or the state or the living residence. That would be the reason for away from your mother, or you people will be fighting with your mother, or there are a lot of reasons where you're gonna be staying away from your mother. So please do take care of your mother, and please don't ever argue with the mother, and don't fight, so that may lead into big disaster, and this will affect you to move away from your mom. So coming to Kanya Rashi, so these people are very fortunate after the Katka Rashi. So these people are gonna be very fortunate in the purpose of money. They'll be having a lot of monies coming in some other sources. And here the main thing is like our Kohli RCB Kohli fan in IPL. RCB is gonna perform like before ever. They are gonna rock in the IPL, because as of the zodiac of Kohli is very good, and the transition of it is very good. The performance of the RCB also will be very good, whether they are winning or not, but the performance will be ultimate from everyone in RCB team. So here this would be the very good example for that. And here those who are born in Kanya Rashi, for them as well, it is gonna be a 6er 2020. Their life gonna be changed, and there'll be abundance of everything coming in and going. So here those who have starting their business and everything are gonna be on their own. If you people start own on your thing, on your investment, that would be very good. But if you people start or depend on your father thing, definitely you people will face very loss. And most is like, you don't ever depend on your dad on this period, upcoming 18th month. So that if you start a business, please do start on your own, on your name. So please don't depend on your dad. If you depend, or if he invests, and if he gets the name of anything, definitely there will be loss for you people. That would be very great loss. And people born in Kanya Rashi, please do take care of your dad, so that they are going to face very much health issues there, and they may have a chances of getting throat cancer as well, and they'll be having a stroke as well, heart stroke, something like that. So please take care of your dad's health. So coming to the Tula Rashi, here the people will be gaining lot of abundance health. So please do remember, you people will be having only 6 to 8 months, that's it, a starting of the transition of Rahu and Ketu. You people will be having abundance health and wealth as well. So here when you gain the wealth, so make sure that you have a safety lock or something to save it, because it's gonna be very much difficult later on, because here you people will be facing sudden change or the sudden wealth coming in, so that may trigger an income tax rate for you people, or some theft will be happening in your home, so this kind of thing. But definitely you people, what you gain, those will be lost at the end. If you gain a good name also, that will be lost at the end of the transition of Rahu and Ketu. So particularly those who have born in Swati Nakshatra in Tula Rashi, for those people, if they are in presently or currently, if they are good lovers, or if they are in love, or if they have been a love marriage people, so definitely that will be in breaking up, or the love will be gonna be end at this situation. Something or the other thing will be happening that will be leading to the breakup. And coming to the husband and wife, so here definitely there will be divorce as well due to this Rashi. Not the particular Rashi, the particular Rashi and the particular star, that is Swati. Please make note down of that. It is a star of which I'm talking about, Swati. For them, this thing will be happening. For the others, rest, nothing gonna be happen. So coming to the Vrishchika Rasi. So here the Ketu itself in them, so it's like being like I'm the Ketu, and no, sorry, I'm the Vrishchika Rasi. The Ketu is coming and sitting on me. It is like that. So it is like those people who have been in married, the women's, particularly in women. So those who have married kind of love marriage or anything related to love, for those, the husband's lifeline would be reduced after this transition. So please take care of that. Please do go to temples and offer pujas for that. So this would be the kind of remedy which I'm going to tell you. And those people will be facing accidents, that is the husband will be facing accidents due to this Rashi people. And if you people have married, that would be a love marriage, so that would be leading to a divorce. So definitely there will be kind of, in 100 people there will be at least 80 people divorced in this case. So here that's it from the Vrishchika Rasi. And let's move on to the Dhanush Rasi. Here the people have suffered a lot, 18 months. Those who have lost their husbands, and those who have lost their fathers, mothers, or people have lost their children's also in Dhanush Rasi. The Rahu and Ketu have taught them a very good life lesson for them. They have been very strong and they have stood that the life, and they know how to lead the life now, and they have very strong, like before, they are going to keep rocking ahead. So those people in Dhanush Rasi, they will be having the highest spiritual guiding, and they will be visiting a lot of temples before, never before, because those people were not much believing in those gods or the spiritual things. But now these people, compared to other 12 Rashis or the 11 Rashis, these people are the most affected towards the spiritual path, that is for God. And these people are the most ongoing people for the temples coming up. So here in this, the main thing is like Mula Nakshatra. In this particular Dhanush Rasi, there is a Mula Nakshatra. So for those people, you people are going to lose your jobs at any circumstance. If you people are good at or in your job, if you're kind, if you're respectable, whatever may be, the main thing is like you people want to get cornered. So those thing is gonna happen for you people. Please do take care of that. Because of that, you may lose your job and you people will be kicked away from your job. So that may lead to depression, and due to this depressions, they may lead to suicides also. Sorry to tell this, please don't take any such decisions which gonna lead you lose your life. So here it's all God's blessing. Nothing's gonna happen for everyone. So moving to the Makara Rashi. So here Makara Rashi people have been facing lot of things in 18 months. So those who have been admitted in hospital and hospitalized for 4 to 6 months continuously, so long, prolonged, and those who have been in coma as well. So everything is gonna get recovered, and those who suffered in loss of money, everything is gonna be gained back, and those who are suffering in their health problems, so for those people everything gonna set back and their health will be recovered very soon, because Ketu is going into 11th house where he's gonna give abundance of health and wealth. What you people have lost in those past 18 months, you people will gain again. So for this small tip for you people, in addition of it, you people are gonna go to Tiruchandur, which is in Tamil Nadu, Tiruchandur temple, Murugar, that is Subramanya temple. Go visit there and have a sea bath in it, so that you people will have double the result. So if you people are gonna get some 100%, you people will be blessed with some 250 or 300%. So visit there and be blessed by Lord Subramanya and accumulate everything what you lost. So coming to Kumbha Rashi, here the Kumbha Rashi people will be facing lot of troubles, and moreover those will be gaining money somehow. They'll gain the money, but here the profession will be affected. So here the people who are going for a job or in a government job, anything, those will be affected, and they'll be pushed to give a volunteer retirement or something other, to put a paper, and they'll be cornered somehow they'll be cornered, this Kumbha Rashi people. So here the Kumbha Rashi people will make money, and they will give to the friends or those who are in trouble. They will give at that moment, so that they gonna get the fortune for that, and they will get the virtue for that as well. So after giving, when they're gonna ask with their friends or the relatives, anyone, please return my money, so it's not gonna be written, because you people will be facing that loss of money as well. So please, from now onwards, don't give any money to anyone, or don't borrow also, so that you people will be in peaceful. And please do take care of mothers and fathers health as well, as this transition is not good for parents. So in this Kumbha Rashi people, please do maintain very much distance from giving and taking of money, so that you people won't get into depression. As you people will be getting into the depression due to the loss of money, please do take care of that, so that it won't be affected anymore. So coming to the last and final Rashi, that is Meena Rashi, Pisces. Those people are very much abundant luck's gonna accumulated for them, because here the Rashi where the third house gonna be Rahu, and the 11th house gonna be Shani, that is Saturn. So this is the very abundant energy is gonna giving a good sight for you people, that is for Meena Rashi. So whatever you're gonna touch, it's gonna be a golden thing for you people. Whatever decision you're making, everything will be going good, and studies will be very good. Those who want to clear IAS, IPS or UPSC, everything will be sorted out, and they'll be cleared like this, and everything will be going good, and people will be get promoting for the higher position, and moreover they'll be like so everything will be set in aside for them. So everything will be lucky, and lucky people in this 12 Rashis are Meena Rashi, that is Pisces. Those people are the luckiest people for the upcoming 18 months and upcoming the Shani period also, that is 2.5 years. So these people are very lucky. Everything will be golden time. Success in business, abundance, wealth accumulating, and they'll be gaining of house or housewarming ceremonies. Everything will be done. So that's it from this video, transition of everything and every Rashis we have gone through. And please do like and subscribe to our channel. So here in upcoming videos, our friend, that is beloved friend Danish, would be coming in our YouTube channel very soon, and he will be assisting us as well what to do and what not to do for the pariharas, that is the remedies for everything, the upcoming things. And thank you people for watching till now. Please do support my channel, give a thumbs up, and please do share this so that the peoples who are belonging to this Rashis, they may go through some bad things. So looking at this, they may think that is blueprint for them, so these are gonna come for them. And for please do message or comment for the remedies so that we will post your remedies, or please do mail us for anjaniputraastrology@gmail.com for anything, queries and all. Thank you. Please do subscribe and support us, and please do press the bell button. Thank you.